Okay, in today's lab, this is lab 8, CNS 2003. Okay. In this lab, we are going to create organizational unit, 2 or 3 organizational units, and create groups inside the organizational unit. And there will be 2 types of groups. One will be local, and the other one will be global. Okay, so let's follow the instructions. So go to page 63 and create your first OU. The name of the OU is Abu Dhabi. You see here, Abu Dhabi. All right. So I'll come to my machine. Log in. Same password. It's very important lab and basic lab. Okay. All right. Now my Windows server started. Waiting for the server manager to start. Okay. Are you all here at this point? Can I continue? Okay, now we'll go to, just wait a little, yeah. We'll go to Tools, select Tools, and then Active Directory Users and Computers. Because this is where we can, there are 2 ways to create that. You can go through Active Directory Administrative Center, or you can do it through Active Directory Users and Computers. So we will go to Active Directory Users and Computers, click on it. So this is my machine here. Where is my domain? This is my domain. In your case, it will be XCT0551. It depends on you. Okay. So now this is my domain. I click on the domain, 1 click. Then I will do right click. And then we will choose a new. What we will create? We'll create an organizational unit. Okay. So I will choose a new organizational unit. And what's the name of the organizational unit? Abu Dhabi. Now for me, because I created one yesterday with the same name, so I'm gonna add just a number to it. Okay, so I will just type 1. Okay, but for you, don't put numbers. All right. Yeah, take screenshot while you are working. Take screenshot. Okay. All right. Let's start again. So here I will click on my domain. Oh, close this from here. Tools. Click on Tools. Active Directory Users and Computers. Active Directory Users and Computers. And then this is the screen you will get. Now click on the domain اللي هو ال hct01.ae. Click on it, 1 click, and then right click, New Organizational Unit. Okay, now the name of the organizational unit is given to you already. And then hit OK. So we have one OU created. Okay. Now let's go to the lab manual. What else we need to create? Can you check? We need to create another OU. But before that, let's go back to the manual. Yeah. So we are done with step number 4. Okay. Now we are going to create nested OUs under Abu Dhabi OU. One is AH users and AUHC computers, or AUH computers. Very good. Okay. We go back to my design. Inside Abu Dhabi. So we are going to do nested, yani inside. Okay. Right click, new OU. New OU. It's an OU nesting. OU nesting. Nesting OUs. Yeah, of course. Of course. Just wait. Again, under Abu Dhabi, right click, choose a new, take screenshot. Okay. OU. And then type the name AUH users. Take screenshot. It's written AUH users. Okay. Another one is, again, I go back to Abu Dhabi, select Abu Dhabi, right click, new OU, organizational unit. And this time the name is what? AUH computers. Very good. Done. Go back to Abu Dhabi. Okay, now let's go back to the manual, see what else they want us to create. So we are done with 2 OUs. Now we are going to create a third OU. They are giving you the option to use administrative center or continue with our tool. So we'll continue with our tool. This time we are going to create Sharjah. And same thing, we are going to create Sharjah users and Sharjah computer, or SSJ users and SJ computers. Okay, so let's do that. Go back to the domain, right click, new OU, new organizational unit. The name for the organizational unit is what? Sharjah. Because I created it yesterday, I'm giving it a letter. Okay, and then next, done. Now I have Sharjah. Now inside Sharjah, I'm going to nest 2 more OUs. Shall I continue? All good? Okay. Sharjah again, new OU. This time the name is Sharjah users. Again back to Sharjah OU. Right click, new OU, organizational unit, and it is Sharjah computer. Okay. You go back to the lab manual. We are done with step number 8. Now we are going to create very important objects, which are the groups. We have not created groups before, so today we are going to create 2 different types of groups. We are going to create a group name, and under Abu Dhabi OU, we are going to create a local group with the name what is the name of the group? It's given to you here. Abu Dhabi back. Okay. See, I am here on step number 3. I'll go back to my machine. Go back to Abu Dhabi. Select Abu Dhabi, then right click. New. This time you choose group. Group. The type of the group is domain local. The group name is given to you in the lab manual. It is Abu Dhabi back. Okay. Yeah. It's given to you in the lab manual. Write exactly the same name, huh? Don't miss any letter, please. And make sure it is domain local. Here, tick on domain local, please. Select domain local. Okay. Click OK. Again, we are going to create another group. This time we are going to call it Abu Dhabi Printing. Abu Dhabi Printing. I'll go back to Abu Dhabi. Here, stay on Abu Dhabi. Right click, new group. What type of group it is? Domain local. Don't forget. And the name of the group is Abu Dhabi Printing. And this is for managing the printing on the local domain in Abu Dhabi. That's the meaning of this group. And then click on OK. Done. Go back. We are now going to create different type of groups. It's called global groups. So they will have more focus, wider focus. Okay. Under Abu Dhabi OU, we are going to create backup managers and print managers. Okay, so we'll create backup managers. All right. So go back to Abu Dhabi here, right click, new group. What type of group this time? It's a global, don't forget. It's a global group, global. Okay. What's the name of the group? Global. Yeah. Done. Backup managers. It's written in the lab manual. Backup managers. Here it is. You see backup managers. Okay, now let's create the second one. Take screenshots, please. Take screenshots. Yeah. Now we have also print managers. Print managers. Okay, we'll wait a little bit. Some students are taking the screenshots also. If you forgot to take screenshot inside, take a screenshot of this one because it shows the names of the groups. You see the names of the groups here? Take a screenshot for this. This is important. Yeah. Okay, can I continue now? All right. Now we are going to Abu Dhabi again. Right click and then new group. It's a global group. What's the name of the group? Print managers. Okay. Very good. You can take screenshot also here now. Yeah. Okay. All right. We do together. Okay, now the third one, rent manager. Now we are going to create Abu Dhabi IT manager. Sorry, what's your question? They are all security. They are all security. We don't change this. We only change this one. Now the third one is Abu Dhabi managers. So go back, right click here, new group. It's a global group. It's not domain local. It's not universal. It's a global. Okay. Write the name Abu Dhabi managers. Take a screenshot also. Okay. Hit OK. Click OK. Very good. Now we are going to do. Are you done with the first part? We'll wait a little bit for everyone to finish. Ah, here. I created this one. I created Abu Dhabi IT managers, global group. Did you do it? Yeah, but I thought it's better you follow the same naming because you might need it. It's okay. You can create another one with the exact name. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, we have three. Abu Dhabi, and we have Sharjah. You need to create both. Okay. Anyhow, I am recording it, so also you can. All right. Now let's go back. The next part of the exercise, we are going to nest groups. All right. First thing, we are going to delegate administration. Remember, we talked about delegation. You can give some control for some group on a certain OU. So we are going to give control to Abu Dhabi IT managers on which OU? Okay, on Abu Dhabi OU. All right. But are we going to give all the control? No. We are going to give only these three controls. Create, delete, and manage user accounts. Create, delete, and manage groups. Modify membership of the group. All right. So let's go back to my virtual machine. Select Abu Dhabi, please, everyone. Right click. You see the first option, delegate control. Delegate control. Choose it. It will start the delegation wizard. This is the delegation of control wizard. Next. Now it will ask you which group you want to give them the power. So we need to click on add. Now you type the group name. Now if you cannot remember the full name of the group, even if you type, let's say, the first two letters or first two words, it will search check name. It will start looking. Okay, now we are going to choose which one? IT managers. So, all right. Now click on OK. And next. Yeah, we are only going to give delegation to one according to the lab manual. Take screenshot as well. By the way, in the practical, some students forget to take screenshot of the delegation. And so they miss some marks. Next. Now, what kind of control we are going to use? Are we going to give everything? No. According to the question, they ask us to delegate, create, delete user, create, delete, and manage groups. And what's the third one? Modify membership of a group. Okay. Okay, no problem. Let me do it again. All right. Abu Dhabi, delegate control. Next. All right, add. Okay. Next. Create. The first one, account, and then groups. Create and delete and manage groups. I think the fourth one. And then modify, the fifth one. Okay. Take screenshot of this. And then next. Can I continue? Next. Done. Click on finish. You are done with delegation. Okay. Now, yeah. Now we are going to remember the user we created, Ghanem. His name, the username was Ghanem Ali. Okay. You need to make him member of Abu Dhabi IT Managers Group. First, you need to move Ghanem user account to Abu Dhabi users and make him member of Abu Dhabi IT Managers. This is the last step. So let's go back. Please follow me on this step. Now for me, I will go to search for Ghanem. Ghanem Ali. Because I moved it yesterday. Let me just, yeah, I will move it here. Ghanem Ali. Let me create the user. Let's say it's not there. I will create the user. For you, you already have the user, right? I'll create the user. Ali. And login name is G Ali. And next. All right. It says he is already there. It's okay. So I will just, yeah. So let me see. It's a good practice, right? Finish. I need to put a password. That's why. Thank you. All right. Now I have a user. Ghanem Ali, he's telling you, move this user to Abu Dhabi OU. How do I do that? There are different ways to do it. One of them is just drag. Click and drag it. Here. It says yes, yes. This is one way. Another way to do it is Ghanem Ali, right click and click on move. Move. See here? Move. Click on move and then say, choose where you want to send the user. Yeah. All right. Now again, you go to Abu Dhabi. I have Abu Dhabi. Under Abu Dhabi, I have lower Abu Dhabi users. Okay. They told me to move it, to make it under Abu Dhabi users. So I should make it under users. صح? Not only Abu Dhabi. Okay, so now I am under Abu Dhabi. Where is Ghanem Ali? Is not here. He's under Abu Dhabi users here. Now they are telling you, make him a member of a global group. Global group. So right click, properties, and you need to give him, you need to promote him. He will be member of Which group? IT managers. Member of IT managers. So we're going to create add. Okay. Let's say, as I told you before, if you don't remember, just type two letters and then check name. Abu Dhabi IT managers. Okay. Take screenshot. Member of. Let me do it again. Properties, then you will get this screen. Choose member of. You see member of? Yes. All right. Now click on add. Add. Type the group name from the lab manual. It says IT managers. Check name. It's correct. Yeah. Take screenshot also, no problem. This is the last step, by the way. This one, this step, I'll do it. All right. So here we have Ghanem Ali is under AUH users. You have this step already? Come on. We come to Ghanem Ali, right click, properties. Here we have many options. Choose member of. Member of, يعني هو عضو بأي group. Member of, and then we need to add another group. This time it's not a local group, this is a global group. هنعطيه عضوية في group بيعمل control. Okay. We are going to add the group. The group name is given to us, which is Abu Dhabi IT Managers. How did I know that? It's given to me in the lab manual. To make sure the spelling is okay, just type check name. If you get this line here, then it's correct. Then click on OK. Take screenshot here. Click on OK. Apply or OK the same. Done. All right. So we are done with this part and we are done with the lab. Okay. We are done with the lab. Now let's